This is Severe Weather Channel 57, giving you the info on all severe weather.
Hello, I'm Dr. Eyeball. Everybody in Northwest Georgia needs to listen up. Extremely urgent. There's a F5 tornado coming towards us, and we'll get here, or supposedly get here, around 6:30 to 7 o'clock tonight. I think now will be a good time to explain to our viewers how and where a tornado will form. Don't you think?
Yes, I do.
Tornadoes are most likely to form on flat ground, and in the summer or spring, which means we're at a very high chance of one to come through right now. The reasons why tornadoes are most likely to form in the summer or spring is because the cold, dry air from Canada and the warm, moist air from the equator come and meet. The reason why tornadoes form on flat ground is because if it goes up the hill, if they meet on the hill, it's going to be cold air meeting cold air, and that wouldn't cause anything. An air mass is a body of air that is the same temperature. When two air masses come together of different temperatures, it creates a thunderstorm. If the thunderstorm has a huge difference, then it causes a tornado. The greater the difference in temperature for the air mass, the worse the tornado can be. A small difference in air mass temperature means it could have rain. There are different types of air masses. Continental Arctic air masses are bitterly cold. There are maritime polar air masses that are cool and moist. Continental polar air masses are cold and dry. Maritime tropic air masses are warm and moist. Continental tropic masses are hot and dry. Now let's go to Skippy Roger.
Okay, now let's take some questions from the viewers. The first question is,
Wait, I got it, wait, we have a caller. Okay, only clouds that produce rain contain water, is that true?
No, it is not. All types of clouds contain water.
Okay, wait, next one. Tornadoes are ranked by their wind speed or damage. They are not ranked by their wind speed or damage.
Oh, no, that is incorrect. Those are the things we actually rank tornadoes by. We mainly rank tornadoes by their damage because if you are in a farm and a tornado, there wouldn't be enough damage. At New York and there is a tornado, then there'd be a lot of damage. So, we could have, in New York, we could have ranked it by that. So,
okay. The next one is, thunder can occur without lightning?
No, thunder is actually the sound of lightning. Whenever lightning goes to the air has to go somewhere. The air shoots to the side and causes a sound, which is, of course, thunder.
Do tornadoes only happen during the summer?
No, they can also happen in spring.
That's all the questions we have for today, folks. Check in on next time when we have the questions of the day. Now let's go back to Skippy Roger with how high and low pressure systems affect tornadoes.
High pressure is usually caused by a phenomenon called subsidence. And subsidence is usually caused when the air in the high cools and becomes denser and moves toward the ground. When pressure increases here, it usually is because more air fills the space left from the low. Subsidence, it can also evaporate most of the atmosphere's water vapor, so high pressure systems are usually associated with clear skies and calm weather. Now let's go to Dr. Eyeball with how low pressures cause tornadoes to form.
Hello, I'm Dr. Eyeball with how tornadoes form. Tornadoes form when the weather updrafts happen. A warm air front and a cold air front come together, and the warm air front is forced up into the sky.
The warm air causes the updraft and gets too cold and causes the downdraft. This is called the convection current. It continues this process until shear wind causes the air drafts to knock over, forming a vortex of wind. These winds go so fast for a certain amount of time and causes a tornado. Now that we've explained this, we are done with today's forecast. Please join us next time on Severe Channel 57, if there is one.
The tornado has now been cleared, folks.